little bit of oil in this hook race where the hook goes. Okay. And we will drop the hook in there. Not like that. Like that, right there. Make sure it's in there good, and that's not in there good. So it's not quite like that. It's like that. This turns real good. Now, make sure the needle is up, out of the way. It is. Drop this in. This little piece right here goes in this slot down here. So now we talked about this. You remember what we said? From the top in. From the top in. Okay? And voila, there it is.